Hi, I'm Manuel Obed, CEO of Gugu Robotics. Introducing CropDot by Gugu Robotics. CropDot is a system that integrates the use of artificial intelligence and robotics for enhanced farm practices.
One of the ongoing challenges in agriculture in Nigeria is inefficient monitoring of crops and data collection process. Farm practices. Traditional methods often rely on manual labor, which can be time-consuming, resource-intensive, and prone to human error. The integration of artificial intelligence and drone technology into agriculture presents a compelling solution to this problem. By leveraging these technologies, farmers can make data-driven decisions and optimize yield of crops.
My solution stands out by leveraging combined power of drone technology and artificial intelligence to revolutionize farming in Nigeria and Africa. With an advanced technology like enhanced crop monitoring, enabling farmers to achieve increased yield, and also using this technology for farm practices like planting, harvesting, and lots more. In clear terms, our system uses robotics and AI solutions to solve human labor that takes time, thereby terminating manual labor and error analytics.
Error analytics. It's clear that the data collected is not correct. So using our artificial intelligence solution, we can bring this possible and very precise. And secondly, our drone technology is gonna take agriculture to the next level by being able to plant, harvest, and monitor crops' health with our data imaging system.